if cos theta 1 is equal to 2 cos theta 2, then tan theta 1 minus theta 2 by 2 into tan theta 1 plus theta 2 by 2 is. So tan theta 1 minus theta 2 by 2 into tan theta 1 plus theta 2 upon 2 is equal to sin theta 1 minus theta 2 by 2 into sin theta 1 plus theta 2 by 2 divided by cos theta 1 minus theta 2 by 2 into cos of theta 1 minus theta 2 by 2. So which equals, it's like a sin a plus b into sin a minus b, that is sin square a minus sin square b divided by cos a plus b into cos a minus b, cos square a minus sin square b, cos square a minus sin square b, which equals to, since we know that cos 2a or 1 plus cos theta is equal to 2 cos square theta by 2, and 1 plus sin theta is equal to 1 plus 1 minus cos theta is equal to 1 minus cos theta is equal to 2 sin square theta by 2. So we can write here sin square theta by 2 is equal to 1 upon 2, or multiplying and dividing with 2. So we can write 2 sin square theta 1 by 2 minus 2 sin square theta by 2 divided by 2 cos square theta by 2, just by multiplying and dividing with 2, theta 1 by 2 minus 2 sin square theta 2 by 2. So by applying the formula we can write, this is 2 sin square theta is 1 minus cos theta 1 by 2 minus, and here we can write 1 minus cos theta, sorry, this is only theta will get here, this is cos theta 1 and this is cos theta 2 divided by 2 cos square theta 1 by 2 is 1 plus cos theta 1 minus, and here we can write 1 minus cos theta 2, and which on simplifying, 1 minus cos theta 1 minus 1 plus cos theta 2 divided by 1 plus cos theta 1 minus 1 plus cos theta 2. So we can cancel 1 and 1 here and in the denominator also, and hence this is cos theta 2 minus cos theta 1. Since it is given in the question, cos theta 1 is equal to 2 times of cos theta 2. So cos theta 1 we can write it as 2 times of divided by cos theta 1 we can write 2 times of cos theta 2 plus cos theta 2, which is equal to minus cos theta 2 upon 3 times of cos theta by theta 2, which is equal to minus 1 by 3. So we can give the option, second option is the answer.